Are you facing an issue where the apps are graying out on your iPhone? Don't panic. Welcome back to the video. In today's video, I will show you how you can solve apps graying out on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Disable the content and privacy restriction option on the settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap on screen time. Now scroll down, tap on content privacy and restriction, and find out if it's disabled or not. If you find disabled, then simply enable that. After that, tap on content restrictions. Here you can see the apps option. Tap on it and ensure that you have selected allow all apps. And now go back to the content restriction interface, then disable it. After that, check whether your issue is fixed or not. Otherwise, try our next solution. Solution 2. Offload the grayed app. Open settings, scroll down, tap on general, now tap on iPhone storage. Find the app, tap on it, tap on offload the app button, and tap offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. Solution 3. Update your grayed out app. Open the App Store, search the app that is having the issue. If you find any updates available, then tap on update. Now open the app and check your issue whether it's solved or not. So this is the way to solve the apps graying out problem on your iPhone. But still, if you have anything to ask, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.